So maybe you're just like me, looking for some new ways to engage your little ones. Well, let's talk about little passports.
You got it!
And stay tuned to the very end because we have some giveaway information. Little Passports is all about going on adventures. This is the Early Explorers for 3 to 5-year-olds. So your first package will come in this box, and then subsequent activities will come in this little package. So there were several things that I was super surprised to see about Little Passports. The first thing was the quality of the suitcase, the quality of the luggage. I mean, I've never had a subscription service, so this is kind of my first time doing it. I was surprised to see the quality of the puzzles. You'll find inside your package, you'll find interactive activities like puzzles, quality of the wooden sea animals. So this one, we got one on the ocean. So there's like a little fishing game that they have for the children to do, which is actually requires a lot of hand-eye coordination, and the material is actually really good, which I was kind of surprised. It's good material, it kind of feels like wood, real wood. I was surprised to see the big map that we got. I mean, talking about exploring maps, this is a map that we'll be able to use all throughout our little homeschool journey of the world. I was surprised to see all the cool quality stickers that they can not only stick on their suitcase, but they can also stick inside of their books. The first book is actually a passport on the front page, and your child can put different stickers of the countries, and then it has interactive activities all throughout the book. So they also have these like interactive figurines. We actually have quite a few of these, so this will go great for, this was one from last month, just some interactive play. So let me know in the chat below, do you have Little Passports or do you have any other subscription service? If so, what? What are some good subscription services that you recommend for people with young children? And as promised, we are getting ready for February. Members can vote on the book, I Am Smart, I Am Blessed, I Can Do Anything, or The Kissing Hand. If you're not a Brown Bread Book Club member, it's totally free to sign up. We offer resources just like this, tools, tips, activities, books, all the things early childhood. Sign up using the link below. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again another time. Bye.